होटल एंड रेस्टोरेंट एसोसिएशन ऑफ नॉर्थर्न इंडिया ने 5 और 6 अगस्त 2024 को दिल्ली में आयोजित होने वाले 2 दिवसीय तीसरे सम्मेलन का सफलतापूर्वक समापन किया, जिसका विषय उद्यन भारतम राइजिंग इंडिया शेपिंग अ न्यू एरा इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड टूरिज्म रखा गया। इस सम्मेलन में आतिथ्य और पर्यटन क्षेत्रों से 500 से अधिक प्रतिनिधियों ने भाग लिया। कार्यक्रम ने बड़ी संख्या में उद्योग से जुड़े प्रतिनिधियों के शामिल होने, आपसी ज्ञान साझा करने, औद्योगिक पेशेवरों से चर्चा करने एवं उद्योग के भविष्य की रूपरेखा तैयार करने के लिए एक व्यापक मंच प्रदान किया। सम्मेलन का उद्घाटन माननीय पर्यटन एवं संस्कृति मंत्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत ने किया। सम्मेलन के दूसरे दिन की शुरुआत सुबह 11 बजे एक उद्घाटन सत्र के साथ हुई, जिसके बाद आकर्षक चर्चाओं और प्रस्तुतियों की एक श्रृंखला आयोजित हुई। उत्तर प्रदेश इको टूरिज्म बोर्ड के प्रतिनिधि विवेक जैन के भाषण में मुख्य रूप से आतिथ्य और पर्यटन में स्थिरता पर ध्यान केंद्रित किया गया।
House Connaught Place. This year we complete 82 years in business, and we are running a cafe, Delhi's first cafe, since the last so many years.
So what do you say about this program?
This is a nice program, informative, and a lot to do with basically giving a lot of knowledge to new talent and sharing your ideas towards the growth and the perspectives of business in future.
So what do you say about to our viewers who are watching this?
I would say that hospitality is the next money churner in the, I would say, in the global or the Indian financial circle.
Sir, what will be your message for the youth of this country?
I would like to say that always dedication, hard work and thinking out of the box should be done by everyone, and conventional ways से निकल के कुछ नया करने की सोच बनाएं, जिससे देश का और उनका खुद का आगे का जो एक नज़रिया है वो बदले. That is how the new India will develop. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
My name is Savan Malhotra. I'm a partner in the Embassy Restaurant, Connaught Place, and our company is about 74 years old, and we're here as a speaker at the HRANI event today to discuss about the legendary brands that are there.
So what do you say about today's program? What do you think the business trends will grow or not?
Sorry?
The business trends will grow or not?
Yeah. So HRANI is a very good organization. It helps restaurants and hotels across India and solves our problems also.
What do you say about to our youth who are watching you?
So when you open a restaurant, I would definitely recommend that you become a member of HRANI, and there's a lot to learn from the programs that they are offering right now. Like all the speakers speaking about different things, the chefs also over here. So you'll get definitely a good insight about the hotel and the restaurant
Sir, how
industry.
was your experience of overcoming here this event?
It was good.
Thank you.
The program will
Sir, more loud.
I am Vivek Jain, representative of UP Eco Tourism Development Board. The objective of this program was towards sustainable ecotourism development. My personal objective and the objective of the department is to promote ecotourism, call for operators, agencies who are interested in development of ecotourism destinations. We intend to partner them in whatsoever manner possible. We are looking forward to innovative financing. We are looking forward to project structuring in the way that is beneficial to both the department and the agency appointed. We at Ecotourism Development Board are looking forward for opportunities wherein we can help the tour operators, the service providers, hoteliers, all the stakeholders in the best way possible. We call them to come to us to discuss. We are here to resolve the issues, challenges faced by them. That is it.
Thank you, sir.
And Vice President Production at Lamborghini New Delhi. And it is truly my privilege to be part of this convention. This is the second day of HRANI, and I think it's a great initiative. As usual, they do a great job, and I can see lovely topic of discussion being done because ours is the third session today of the second day where we'll be discussing old is gold, stories, success stories of legendary restaurant in India, NCR. So I think it's a great learning, it's a great platform to do networking, एक दूसरे से मिलना, ताल्लुकात बढ़ाना, सीखना तो है ही। आप इट्स ए ग्रेट लर्निंग कि आप सीख के जाओगे अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक्स में और आई थिंक kudos to HRAI and AI for putting up such a big event and I think I can see a great participation, बहुत अच्छा participation है, बड़े स्टूडेंट्स हैं, होटेलियर्स हैं, रेस्टोरेंटर हैं जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। I think it's going to be a great
So what do
learning.
you say about the program? Like we were seeing, and what do you see people think to start the business like this? So what do you say about this?
I think all these platform or discussion, क्योंकि जितने इंडस्ट्री के लीडर्स हैं वो यहाँ प्रेजेंट हैं, right? They have the opportunity of interacting with all of them. और कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी हो, तो it's a great platform, I would say that. And as you know, HRNI is a very old and large association.
So
I
how
think
was your experience overcoming here? Like how did it feels like?
बहुत अच्छा, मैं तो बहुत समझता हूँ, I'm very happy and privileged to be part of this convention. And of course कहते रहे कि एग्जीबिशन देखेंगे सोने पे सुहागा,
Definitely.
या तो दोनों काम हो जाएंगे। So we all participate. So I think it's a great learning. Thank you. I think
Thank you so much.
Information technology for Radisson South Asia, and we have almost 120 operational hotels and 65 in process. We are one of the largest chain across the world with 1,000 hotels.
So what do you say about today's program?
It was very nice. People have really understood what we wanted to say, the new technology which is like artificial intelligence and machine learning, how it can help hotels, their operations, their cost, how it can make better experience for the customers so that customers they repeat customers by using this particular AI and ML technology going forward in the hotel. So it was a good topic. People understood it. People, they wanted to implement, and in next 7 to 8 years time, this will be like completely in all the world.
The AI is growing day by day, and all youth are going to AI. So it's little bit dangerous or it's effective.
Sorry, you said AI is
I was just asked, AI is dangerous or it's effective?
no AI is a very good tool. AI is helping any company, not only hotels, any company to run the data analysis in a quicker way that a human cannot do, right? Like imagine if you have to work on 20 Excel file and work on some kind of compilation, AI will automatically do it. And AI is not dangerous. AI is good. AI is good because you understand customer prior, like talking about a hotel industry, you understand customer digital touch points, where he is trying to find out the information, which hotel to go, what kind of rates I'll get, will hotel give me a good service or not. You come to know prior to customer has made any decision, made a reservation.
Means AI helps to find
AI help each and every organization, including hotel industry, to understand the requirement and then give a raw experience to our customers.
So, thank you.